This is the new 2021 Keystone Avalanche 31 2RS. This luxurious fifth wheel sleeps 4 people and comes complete with 3 slide-outs. It offers a one-of-a-kind living experience with a fireplace, large kitchen island, theater seating, a freestanding dinette, a front private bedroom, and a dual entry bath. This Avalanche comes equipped with road armor suspension and a one-place command center that is centrally located. This will allow you to set up your RV quickly once you have arrived. This is the new 2021 Keystone Avalanche 31 2RS. Come check it out. Your next adventure awaits at RV Travel World.